Imagine you're about to make a big financial decision, like buying your first house. You have savings, and your in-laws offer to lend you a significant amount. It seems like a great deal, right? But hold on, because financial guru Dave Ramsey has some strong opinions on this. In this video, we'll delve into why Dave Ramsey advocates against borrowing money, especially from family, and why his advice might just save you from financial turmoil in the long run. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. The dangers of borrowing from family. Borrowing money from family might seem like a convenient solution, but Dave Ramsey warns against the potential pitfalls that come with it. One of the most significant dangers is the strain it can place on relationships. Money has a unique ability to transform the dynamics of even the closest familial bonds. What starts as a gesture of generosity can quickly devolve into resentment and tension when repayment becomes an issue. Ramsey often highlights the proverb, "The borrower is slave to the lender," to underscore the power dynamic inherent in borrowing. This dynamic can become even more pronounced within family relationships, where emotional ties further complicate financial transactions. Borrowers may find themselves feeling indebted and beholden to their relatives, leading to a sense of loss of autonomy and agency in their financial decisions. Furthermore, borrowing from family members can blur the lines between personal and financial matters. What begins as a simple loan can quickly become entangled with family politics and personal grievances. Every financial decision, from vacation choices to children's clothing purchases, may be scrutinized through the lens of repayment, creating an atmosphere of constant tension and unease. Moreover, missed payments or financial setbacks can exacerbate existing familial tensions, leading to rifts that may take years to repair, if ever. The emotional toll of owing money to family members can weigh heavily on borrowers, affecting their mental well-being and straining their relationships. In essence, while borrowing from family may seem like a solution in the short term, Dave Ramsey cautions against underestimating the long-term consequences. It's not just about the money, it's about preserving the harmony and integrity of familial relationships. Number 2. The borrower-lender dynamic. Dave Ramsey frequently emphasizes the profound impact that borrowing has on the relationship between borrower and lender. Whether the lender is a financial institution or a family member, the power dynamic inherent in borrowing money cannot be understated. Ramsey often cites the ancient proverb, "The borrower is slave to the lender," to illustrate this dynamic, highlighting how indebtedness can shift the balance of power within relationships. When money is borrowed, especially from family, it introduces a new layer of complexity to the relationship. Borrowers may feel a heightened sense of obligation and indebtedness towards their relatives, which can strain familial bonds. Every financial decision and expenditure may be viewed through the lens of repayment, leading to feelings of resentment and control. Moreover, the borrower-lender dynamic can lead to a loss of autonomy and agency for the borrower. They may feel compelled to prioritize the interests of the lender over their own financial well-being, leading to feelings of frustration and resentment. Furthermore, missed payments or financial setbacks can exacerbate existing tensions within the relationship, leading to further strain and conflict. The emotional toll of owing money to family members can weigh heavily on borrowers, affecting their mental well-being and straining their relationships. In essence, the borrower-lender dynamic is a delicate balance that must be carefully navigated. While borrowing money may seem like a quick solution to financial challenges, it can have long-lasting implications for relationships and emotional well-being. Dave Ramsey's advice underscores the importance of preserving both financial independence and healthy relationships in order to achieve lasting peace of mind. Number 3. The psychological impact. Beyond the practical implications of borrowing money, Dave Ramsey delves into the profound psychological impact it can have on individuals and relationships. Borrowing, especially from family, can trigger complex emotions and attitudes towards money, indebtedness, and personal autonomy. Ramsey often shares personal anecdotes and experiences from his audience to illustrate the psychological toll of borrowing. Even when loans are offered as gifts, recipients may experience feelings of indebtedness and obligation, which can strain relationships and create a sense of unease. Moreover, the act of borrowing can challenge one's sense of self and personal agency. Borrowers may feel a loss of autonomy and control over their financial decisions, as they navigate the expectations and pressures of repayment. Additionally, borrowing from family members can blur the boundaries between personal and financial matters, leading to feelings of guilt, shame, and resentment. Every financial decision may be viewed through the lens of repayment, creating a constant source of tension and conflict within relationships. Furthermore, the fear of disappointing or upsetting family members can weigh heavily on borrowers, leading to heightened stress and anxiety. The emotional toll of owing money to loved ones can impact one's mental well-being and overall quality of life. In essence, the psychological impact of borrowing money, especially from family, extends far beyond the realm of finances. It can shape attitudes towards money, relationships, and personal identity, highlighting the importance of careful consideration and boundary setting in financial transactions. Dave Ramsey's advice underscores the significance of preserving both financial independence and emotional well-being in order to achieve true peace of mind. Number 4. Setting boundaries. Dave Ramsey advocates for the importance of setting clear boundaries when it comes to finances, particularly within familial relationships. Drawing from the wisdom of psychologist Henry Cloud, Ramsey emphasizes the need for individuals to establish and maintain healthy boundaries to safeguard both their financial well-being and their relationships. One key boundary Ramsey highlights is the distinction between giving and lending money. While it may seem generous to offer financial assistance to family members, Ramsey cautions against the potential pitfalls of lending money, especially when strings are attached. Instead, he encourages viewers to consider giving without expectation of repayment, allowing for greater freedom and harmony within relationships. Moreover, Ramsey warns against the dangers of co-signing loans or becoming financially entangled with family members. Co-signing can not only jeopardize one's own financial stability, but also strain relationships if repayment becomes an issue. By setting clear boundaries and refusing to co-sign or lend money, individuals can protect themselves and their loved ones from unnecessary financial risk and emotional turmoil. Additionally, Ramsey advises against allowing financial transactions to dictate the dynamics of family relationships. Whether it's a loan or a gift, Ramsey encourages viewers to maintain open communication and mutual respect, regardless of financial obligations. By prioritizing honesty and integrity in financial matters, individuals can cultivate trust and strengthen familial bonds. In essence, setting boundaries is essential for maintaining both financial independence and healthy relationships. By establishing clear guidelines and sticking to them, individuals can navigate their financial interactions with confidence and integrity, preserving harmony and peace of mind within their families. Dave Ramsey's advice on avoiding borrowed money, especially from family, resonates with the importance of preserving both financial stability and healthy relationships. By heeding his guidance and maintaining clear boundaries, individuals can navigate their financial journeys with confidence and integrity. Remember, it's not just about money, it's about safeguarding the bonds that matter most. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on personal finance from Dave Ramsey and other experts. Until next time, stay financially savvy and prioritize what truly matters in life. Take care.